We had a lot of customers visiting the Zoller booth. I mean, they come with their challenges to us in manufacturing. They have challenges with a labor shortage, with people are missing and they need to optimize, they need to automate. We had an excellent week presenting our solutions, how we can support the companies in the manufacturing industry. The journey starts with the Zoller tooling solution. So we offer Zoller tool holding solutions, and the nice thing about it is also that we can generate for our customers the digital twin. So the digital twin can now be downloaded easily into the Zoller TMS tool management solution software. We have existing customers. They use already the Zoller preset and measuring machine product line. So a lot of customers, they have already a good foundation in a database. Now the next step for them is to invest in our Zoller tool management solution software and also hardware. Zoller TMS tool management solution is really an integrated part to support and get started with process automation. With our software, single components can be set up in the database, complete tools can be set up in the database, setup sheets can be set up. We have a subscription model for our software. So every company, small and medium-sized companies, they can immediately invest for attractive costs on a month-to-month basis. But also our customers are excited with our Zoller tool management hardware solution. So we have different cabinets to store, for example, tool holders with the Zoller Keeper. Then we have the Zoller tool organizers for cutting tools storage. And our new introduction into the market is also our Zoller Twister, where we have a new updated product for individual components that need to be stored on the manufacturing floor. With the Zoller tooling solutions, we have also introduced the Zoller ID chip technology. The beauty of our IoT products is that we have direct interfaces established to different machine controls. The data remains not anymore on the chip, the data remains in the Zoller Z1 database. And at the machine, we just only scan the ID basically of the holder, and then the information will be directly processed into the machine control from the Z1 database. Our customers that visit us here at the EMO, they have also a high demand for cutting tool inspection. We have here the right solutions for our companies that they can really perform an in-house incoming inspection for the cutting tool. We have our heat shrink, power shrink solutions, our tool balancing solution, and then last but not least, our automation. We introduced during the EMO show Zoller Cora Measure LG system that is very easy automation to automate our Zoller Venturion machines, for example. So all that solutions will help drive productivity, help drive efficiency for our customers. We have now a long history in automation, so we have a lot of experience in automation. We took all that knowledge together in order to come up with this solution. So we are very excited. We have a great customer feedback, and we will be rolling out after the show the first installations. We from Zoller want to thank everybody who visited us at the EMO show here in Hanover for their time they spent discussing with us the challenges and solutions. So thank you very much to all visitors. And then also especially thank you very much to the Zoller team for your support. We had all our Zoller members around the world with us here at the EMO show. We had a great time. We had great discussions, great conversations, and we are really looking forward seeing you around the world the next time.